Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So, in the cystoid macular edema, cystoid macular edema on the um, optic, optical coherence tomography, you can see presence of um, this fluid accumulation is seen between the outer plexiform layer and inner nuclear layer. So as a result, many vacuole-like structures are seen. This is actually fluid accumulation which is seen on optical coherence tomography. If you do a fluorescent angiography, so on fluorescent angiography we can see appearance of flower petal pattern is seen on fluorescent angiography. So this is the flower petal pattern which is seen in fluorescent angiography for cystoid macular edema.
thank you and thank you for watching.